Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning the Wires. Today I will show you how to make your dream open world landscape using Gaea and Unreal. Not only will I show you this in 5 minutes or less, but this will be one of the only videos you'll need when starting your journey into creating huge landscapes in Unreal Engine. From here, you will have a good understanding of Gaea and how powerful it is and easy it is to take that landscape and use it for your game, movie, or animation project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for a video using PCG to cover this landscape with trees, rocks, and different types of foliage. The first step is to head over to Gaea and create your new project. For this video, since I don't want to waste your time, I'm not going to show you me placing all the nodes and adjusting the sliders. I have already designed my landscape. I will let you do that in your own project and customize it to your liking. My structure is simple, but I will show you how I added my two islands together with the volcano. For texture, I always just do an erosion node into a purlin node to texture it the way I want it. I then use the transform node to move it to the desired location. For my project, I have the foot of the volcano connected to the island, and then the mountainous island separated by a shallow body of water. Here is the island with the same erosion and purlin pipeline combined with the mountain node. I picked the alpine in my last video, but chose strata for this one. The combined nodes have many options. You can use the ratio slider to make one more dominant over the other. You can play around with the different types of combines and see which one matches your landscape best. Combine them and rotate the mountain and move it over to the other side of the map. You can then add the C node and adjust its level so you can get a feel for how it will look in your project after you export it. Another little tip, you can switch the preview of how it looks depending on what resolution you'll be exporting in. You can change between views by clicking the button in the upper right corner of the viewport, and it will rebuild your landscape with the new resolution. Keep in mind, this will change how some things look, so edit using the resolution size you'll be exporting in. We can then build and export your project. Have it ready for when we go into Unreal. We can open Unreal and head into our project. We'll create a new level, we'll select an empty open world, add our lighting, and then we'll import the map that we just made. We can then choose the material that we're going to use for the landscape and set the X and Y scale to 495 for both. We do this if you're using 1024 by 1024 export in Gaea, then your landscape will look exactly the same. We can then add our game mode, and now you have an insane open world landscape using world partitions and level streaming. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.